What's up, everyone? So, today I am gonna try a new package which is Flutter Tinder Card. So, this is I don't know by whom, but it's a nice package. As you can see, we can create Tinder type cards, and if you swipe right, it will be a like, I guess, and if you swipe left, it's a dislike. You can configure that. But yeah, we are gonna create something like this today. So let's start with it. So first, given this, let me copy paste this and add it to my pubsec file. Mm, yeah, I guess yeah. So now let's get it. I hope we don't get that error. Oops. I guess. Oh, my bad. So this was the error. Okay, so now once we get that package, let's start with coding. So I am thinking of, obviously we will remove all of this which we have, that is our widget thing. Let's remove it, and yeah, let's copy what we have here. So they have given us an example and they have given us a widget. Let me also just copy paste this welcome images as well till the end here, and let's see how it looks. Let's remove all of these. Cool. I guess it's done. I think we need to import the library Flutter Tinder Card. Now it's imported. Let me refresh it. Unable to load assets. Oh, okay, so we don't have that assets locally on our thing, but looks like awesome, it is working. Cool. So let's quickly go over it, what is happening here exactly. So swipe up is true, swipe down is true. Okay, swipe up. Okay, so you can swipe up also and swipe down also. Okay, so two directions you get. The orientation bottom means, like, you see that cards are stacked upon each other, and this is the bottom means. If I change this to, let's say, left, so I guess it will give me the left thing. Yeah, you see it's all left, but I think bottom looks better, so let's keep it like that. Total number means it's what is the number of images. I guess it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, so there are 6 images, right? Let's refresh this. Okay, 6 images, and then stack number is 3. So you see that we can see only 3 images right now. So if I, in total there are 6, so if I remove this, one more will get added, because now there are 5 in total, but 3 are on top of each other. If I remove one more, now 3 are left. Now once I remove this, you will see that it won't get updated. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, after this it won't get updated, yeah. So now we only have 2 left, and similarly 1 left. So in case of Tinder, what happens through the API, it keeps on fetching what, how many, like let's say there are 100 200, so the list goes on. Max width, max height, that is understandable. Card builder, yeah, so this is where we are going to build our image, so we will give a new look to it. This is not how we want it. Card controller, that is our card controller, and this is how we give the logic, saying swiping. So card left is this left swiping, card right is this. So in Tinder's case, what we can do is we can add logic here, because if you are swiping right, that means, let's have a match, or maybe the Tinder works like, I think, if you send a like, it goes it to the other person, right? So whatever functionality you want to implement in the backend. Similarly, a complete callback. So once that thing is complete, what happens? But we are not going to look into the backend implementation, so let's keep it as it is, and let's give it a good look. Before that, let's create a new class that will make us easy to store user details. So let me store user details as final string name, which is name of the person. Photos is final string image, final int age, final string city. Cool. Why it's giving the error? Oh, final must be initialized. Okay, we'll initialize it. So required this dot name, required this dot image, required this dot age, and then required this dot city. Okay, cool. Once this is done, our user class is done. Now everything is in. Okay, so now let's create a dummy user data that we have here, something like this. I'll just use this template user details, and then we need an array, and here we need new user details, and then we need to give the name, image, age, city, right? Similarly we can use comma separated, and this one we can do like this. Okay, so now the name could be, let's try to find, so I have some dummy data with me here. Let me go ahead and copy paste that. So I haven't tried this package yet, so I might be making mistake, so please bear with me if I make some mistake. But yeah, I had kept some data ready so that it becomes easy, and we don't waste any time creating that. Now once that is done, let's go ahead and create our card builder. Where is the card builder? Okay, so why is giving me the error? Remove unnecessary new keyword. Okay, does it remove? Okay, awesome. Yeah, it wasn't looking good. So now here, instead of this, we need to keep this card builder as the same. Yeah, it should be like that. Let me remove this all. We need here build context as context, and then int index, right? And then let me remove this card. Instead of that, I will have as a function I will create here, and then let's create a stack, because what I'm thinking is we'll have an image, and then down we'll have the name, and then we'll have the description, and then two buttons like in Tinder we see, right? One is green, one is red, to like or dislike, so something like that. And then children container padding box decoration border radius circular network image user details, and then it will be index dot image fit. Let's do a box fit dot cover. Okay, why is it not taking this one? Oh, I needed to close this thing. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is done, box decoration is done. Now for this container we'll create the child, which will be a column, and oops, wait, I'm getting some errors here. Oh, I think the stack error I'm getting. Oh, this is the stack error. Okay, this is container, this is this. Okay, I think after this I need to create one child column, and then cross axis element alignment, cross axis alignment start. Now let's create children here. Now I need to do user details index dot name, right? And I think I need to use this here, this here style, and then we'll give it a style. So we'll use a text style. What should we use? Font size 22, colors dot white, and then font weight dot w 400. Okay, so this is done. Let me run this and see if we get something here. Oh, awesome. So we got some pics here. If I do like this, okay, cool. Non-inclusive. Yeah, okay. The range error is go. It will go. So now moving forward, we need, after the text, we need a sized box to give some space, and then we'll print the name with 10. User details index age to string style, and then we'll give it a style as a text style, which will be text style, font size 18, colors dot white, font weight dot w 300. Cool. Oops. Okay, let's run this and see what we get here. Okay, so we see the name is there and we get the age, which is 35. Okay, so now once that is done, we can actually come out of our container, and then we can create another container. Alignment bottom left, child text, user details dot index dot city, style body. So we can use a text style. So here also we can use text style, font size, we can use a smaller one, 16, colors dot white, font weight dot w300. Oh god. Okay, let's see what we get here. Okay, so we see Tennessee. Okay, we need to adjust this, but yeah, we see something like that. Okay, so we need to adjust the spacing here, but that is fine. Should I change something here to adjust this? Okay, cool. Now moving forward, let me actually have it 16 only, because we cannot see anything, right? and this one let me make it 22, so I'll make this 18. Okay, so now, okay, 16. I think in this case I would actually go ahead and change this to left. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it doesn't look that great, maybe right. Yeah, okay, right looks better. Okay, and we see some state Tennessee and all that. I think it will align once I start adding some buttons to it. So let's do that. So once container is closed, text container, this okay, after, so this is part of stack. Yeah, so inside stack, uh, I think I missed something, so I guess this should all be inside this container. Okay, this container is there, and column children. Okay, I think this should be better out if we add this. So this is there, we should add this container, should be part of this children, correct. So it should be part of this column. Okay, let me add this part. So column is there, and then after column I have children, and then inside children let me add a container. So all the text and this part will go inside this container, and then this text should go under child row, correct, and then this should be part of children. Okay, so this is part of row, that is part of children, and the container should be aligned to alignment bottom left, and then row should be same as start. Correct. So children text, let's see. So now the Tennessee part should also be part of, now it looks better, so we have a bigger picture, and let me change this to bottom now. So bottom would look good. Yeah, so bottom looks good, or maybe let's do up, top, I mean. Cool. Or maybe left. Yeah, left is good. Okay, so now this thing is taken care of. We can actually move this container inside of this part of container. So so that Tennessee doesn't hang downwards, right? um, yeah, so Tennessee will also be part of that whole this thing. Okay, so Tennessee is there, we can see Tennessee there below the name and this one. So yeah, I think this looks good, and let's change this to, and I don't like it on the top. So this should go down. Yeah, this is good because it's covering the face, so we don't want that. Container is there, and then once the container closes, this closes. Yeah, now I think here we can have two buttons. So alignment will be alignment bottom left, on tab. Currently we don't want anything on tab. Oops. So controller dot trigger left. So let me create a controller which will be card controller. Use this to trigger. Yeah, so new card controller. Okay, and then we can have controller the trigger left. Cool. Once that is created, we create a child container, height 65, width 75, decoration will be box decoration, color will be colors.red, shape will be box shape with circle, margin will be okay. Cool. So now after the align is complete, I can just copy paste this and have another button, so that we need another button here. This can be color dot green. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so we need to change its alignment. Should be bottom right, and then this one should be check. Let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is what we have here. We have, oh, so it will trigger left. No, we need to trigger right. Okay, cool. So we can also do a swipe like this to like, and if we click on here, it goes on to right, this goes on to left, this goes on to right. Invalid value not inclusive of. This error is coming. Why is this coming? Oh, okay. So I guess this is the reason. We need user details dot length, and it's not able to take that. So it should take 1, 2, 3, 4 profiles at there, right? So if I remove Megan Fox, we should have 3 more after this. Yeah, we have Jeff Bezos, but yeah, that's all. So hope you guys like this video. It was very straightforward to use this package. Just import it, and most of the things were already present here. You just need to implement this part and some functionality when you do a swipe left or right, and that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, follow me on Instagram, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone.